If you are using PhantomBuster, you might know that you are able to scrape leads from different platforms such as LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Google Maps, and so on. But you can also scrape job ads on LinkedIn, and I will show you how to do it today. So first thing, you might go on your LinkedIn account and you have a tab called Jobs. You will click on this one. Then you will need to search the jobs that you want to search. So you can either type a keyword, a title, the name of a company. Here I will type growth, and I might get all the job ads related to the keyword growth. You can see here in London. Okay, I will take this URL, I will copy, and then I will go back on my PhantomBuster accounts. We have a Phantom that allows you to scrape all the available information within job ads on LinkedIn. It's called the LinkedIn Search Export. And actually, this Phantom also helps you to scrape people from a LinkedIn search, companies, posts, and so on. But here we will focus on scraping job ads. Let's search it together here. LinkedIn Search Export. This Phantom. You will click on Use Now, and here, important thing, you will have to switch to the advanced setup, as the basic one will only allow you to scrape people from a LinkedIn search. So I click on advanced setup, and now I just need to paste my URL. You can see that you can also search people or job ads with keywords, but I will not recommend this option. It's always better to make your search directly on the LinkedIn platform. You can also provide a spreadsheet URL if you want to give as an input multiple URLs. So let's click on save, then connect your LinkedIn account. And on the behavior here, I will just enter 5 for the example, but you will be limited to 1,000 results per working day if you have a normal LinkedIn plan. If you have a premium or sales navigator plan, you will be limited to 2,500 scraping per day. So let's click on save. And then I will just need to launch it once. So click on save and launch the Phantom. My Phantom ran successfully, and I got 5 job ads that I can find here with multiple data points such as the job title, the job URL, the company name, the location, if it is a remote position, different kind of data that I might be interested about. So this is all for this video. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.